Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart, International Technology Instructor. Looking forward to being back in Greenville, Texas, partnering with the Money Law Firm to provide a class to you on August 10th from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. This is going to include lunch as well. This is going to be something where you want to go in and build and grow your business with video. We've all heard within the real estate world, oh my gosh, you have to do video. Some of us have started to move forward with it. Others are like, how in the heck do I move forward with video? I'm going to show you the beginning stages, but also some of the advanced things that people at all different levels can do from a video point of view to really power up the real estate business. This is going to be a 2-hour TREC CE certified course. Like I said, lunch is part of the process, so that's always a good thing. Make sure though that you register below so they know how much lunch to order, how much space that they need for everybody. So RSVP below. Cost is going to be $20 to attend. That includes the lunch. You're also going to get 2 hours of TREC CE credit. So that's a win-win all around. So I'll see you guys on August 10th in Greenville. Thanks.